In this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up with your MaQueen robots in MakeCode, and also get your robot moving forward, right, left, and 180 degrees as well. So over in MakeCode, you're going to want to create a new project, and we'll call it movement. And the first thing you're going to want to do is activate an extension called MaQueen. Okay. This gives us access to a bunch of blocks, code blocks, that we can use to control our robot within MakeCode. So the next thing we're going to do is set up a bunch of functions. Now, functions are small chunks of code that we can refer to again and again. So if I create a function called move forward and then drag in this motor block and set the motors to also left and right move forward at 250 speed, I can access that at any time. Another function I might want to create is turn right 90 degrees. Now, in my experience, the best way of getting your robot to turn is to do the following. So turn your left motor forward and your right motor backwards. So if that happens at the same time, you should be able to achieve a right turn, or at least a clockwise movement. The last thing you'll need to do is limit the amount of time it turns by adding a pause block. I've had success at, I think, somewhere between 200 mil and 500 milliseconds. You're going to have to adjust that value in some testing, and then afterwards you would stop after the pause. So at that stage, I think if you've got this code working, I would go back to your functions tab, and maybe when you transfer your program over to your MaQueen, try the following code. Now, I am just copying and pasting those bricks. That's how I did it so quickly. Now, in sequence of a thing, it's going to turn 90 for 250 milliseconds, then turn right, pause, turn right, pause, turn right. So it should just turn 360 degrees in total. Now, this is a good way of testing if your right turn is accurate, and you might want to adjust the pause if it isn't. I'm going to leave it there. I'd like to see if you guys can add a turn left function and a turn 180, so back on the robot, back on itself, as your little challenge for today. See how you go, and I'll see you in the next video.